In this video, let's talk about how to use TensorFlow in RED HPC. There are several steps to use TensorFlow in HPC. The first, you need load Anacardo module, and then verify your module was loaded, and then you need to active the TensorFlow environment. Then open a Python. From there, you can type in your TensorFlow code. After you log into your RED HPC environment, first you need to look at what is your environment. At this moment, this is 2 default environment. You need to load your module. You can use tab to automatically fill in. Verify it. So current Anacardo module was loaded. Then step 3, you need to active the TensorFlow environment. Active TensorFlow. After you active your TensorFlow environment, you will see here TensorFlow and then your username. At here, this is your home directory. Then you can open the Python. At this moment, Python version is 3.7.3. From here, you can type in your TensorFlow code. And then define a variable. And then assign a session. From here, you will see you has 2 CPUs. Each CPU has 16 cores. This is the 16 cores. This is another 16 cores. Okay, at this moment, you can print it out your session to run hello. That's actually your hello TensorFlow. Okay, you see here printed out hello TensorFlow. So that is you are correctly running a TensorFlow in your Python environment.